We're gonna test out what Coke does to a complete skateboard.
This one's for the homies.
That is satisfying.
It's gonna snap.
It's not gonna snap.
Full send.
Hey guys, my name's Uzi Dan, and we're here at the Stony Blue Mountaintops of the Coors Light bottles, and we're gonna put some of this here Coca-Cola up here in this boom here, ding, da, ding, 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 there, ding, ding, and then we're gonna put a skateboard in it, and you know what? Sizzle, pizzle, pop, things are gonna happen.
Plain and simple. Is that how I talk?
That is, honestly, that is how you talk. How's it going, you guys? My name is Gabe Cruz. This is Nigel Jones, and over there is... What's your name, Dan?
Headband.
My name?
Yeah.
I forgot.
So here, we have 8.25 gallons of Coca-Cola. Last week, we asked you guys what happens when you soak a skateboard in bleach for 24 hours. The answer did not disappoint.
Unlike bleach, I can drink this one.
You can drink this one. So basically what we're gonna do here is we're gonna pour all of this Coke down here into this here bin, and then we're gonna get a skateboard and we're gonna soak it in here for 24 hours, and then tomorrow we're gonna test out what Coke does to a complete skateboard.
I can tell you what's gonna happen to the bearings right now.
What's gonna happen?
Done.
Really?
Absolutely
You
done.
think they're gonna be done?
That's what you thought on the bleach one, and then after we skated it, they were the best bearings I've ever skated in my life.
Isn't soaking bearings in Coke like a thing that happens,
Yeah,
like
I think it
to
is.
clean them off?
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Clean coins with it.
But I've seen a few videos of people experimenting with Coke like this, and it straight up like eats away.
Stuff, eats away at
Yeah.
stuff.
One time when I was in 4th grade, we put a piece of paper in a bottle of Coke and left it there all semester, and then it disappeared.
And that is the last formal education that Uzi had. So I'm gonna go grab the board.
Coke's really good with getting rust off.
But you guys, you keep predicting things.
I predict a plane is gonna fly past. That I have it on
Oh,
my
there it
face.
goes. He always has something on his face, food-wise.
I'm hungry sometimes.
Well, you gotta get it in the mouth.
Yeah,
Grab the
like-
food and you put it in the face. Not like on the chin. Oh, okay. That explains a lot. Is this going in the video?
Hey, dare
Are
me
we-
to chuck this up
Okay.
in the air?
It's gonna explode.
Do not do that. My car is right there. So this is the chocolate skateboard. As you can see, there's actually some chocolate on there, and I figured it goes with the nice sugary theme of this episode. Clean it right off.
This one's for the homies.
Where's the one that almost blew up?
Oh, that is satisfying. Oh!
How are we gonna get rid of all this Coke?
I wish they would just bring cheetahs to towns and just leave
Cheetahs are
them.
sick.
Imagine
Cheetahs are
going
sick,
to like the train station or something, and that's something you gotta worry about.
You'll never see people run faster than when they're scared. So
I have
Nigel,
no-
you're right.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Hold on.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Hey, Nigel, Coke or Pepsi?
Calypso.
Is that the last one, Darren?
No, there's 3 more.
Oh, good. Whoa, 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 you're splashing, Darren. Hey, Nigel, have you ever thought about what it would be like to dip your head in Coke?
No.
Because now's your chance.
No.
I'm getting soaked right now.
Why is this the most like satisfying thing I've ever done? It smells really good though.
My dumb side of me almost just stuck my face in and took a big old sip. Bet I won't.
You won't do it.
I know.
I win.
All right, there we go, brothers. Now, should we turn the board upside down? We do want to soak the edges.
There's another
though.
one.
Dude, this is amazingly satisfying. This is Coca-Cola ASMR.
I mean, it's not as crazy now.
That is unreal. I'm gonna drop some science on y'all right now. If you want it to fill up and cover more of the board, you just gotta put more weight to displace the Coke. What can we put in there?
You know crows are the only animal that know about water displacement? What is that?
Whoa!
It's beginning to eat away at the board. It's like a chemical reaction right here.
That's what happens with Coca-Cola.
No, look.
You must displace more weight.
Oh.
I think that's good enough.
I think it's good enough because then we can see what happens to this part that at the top of the wheel that doesn't touch it, you know?
How did I make it worse? I want to fight this board. This is as good as we're gonna get. It's not even close to being as sticky as I thought it would be.
It's gonna be like 104 today. Or at least that's
Oh,
what
it
they
is
said.
hot. Okay, it is 10:30 a.m. Thursday. Tomorrow, Friday, we will open it at 10:30 a.m. again. Put it to the skate test. Good luck.
Will it skate?
I just got my freaking hands sticky. All right, well, it is the next day. It has been 24 hours since we put the skateboard in this. And we have someone in the office that I think you guys would like to see.
Should we just go in there?
Maybe we should just go in there. Hello, Osu. How's your jaw feeling, brother?
You know, it hurts. But that's what pain meds are for.
What do you think happened to the skateboard that's been in Coke for 24 hours?
Nothing. I think it's just gonna be very sticky.
We should have put it in Monster for 24 hours.
That's a waste of Monster.
Hey, wasn't there just a bush here earlier?
Yeah.
Weird.
Whoa.
Whoa! There's condensation. Ah!
Take it away.
This is the worst thing I've ever done. Dude, it looks so clean. This isn't even what we're testing. I just gotta go in, don't I?
Mm-hmm.
It's so cold. Now wash your hands in Coca-Cola. We got some more trucks. Again, looking mighty clean. And we got some plastic trucks over here. Hey Dan, where have you been?
I was just inside doing work.
Now we have the actual board. So from what I can see, there's a lot of chocolate floating around, and that's because there was chocolate on the skateboard. It seems as if the Coke has some kind of chocolate defeating qualities to it. Let's go ahead and pull this out. So it doesn't quite seem like much has changed. The chocolate's a little soggy, but the trucks for the most part look pretty much the same. It doesn't really look like
The bearings are great.
it's eating away at it. The bearings, except for that one, maybe you just gotta loosen it up a little bit. The bearings do seem pretty good, but not nearly the acidic properties of the bleach, because the skateboard seems like it's fine. It just seems like it needs to dry off a little bit. I mean, it's soggy, but it's not like super soggy, you know? All right. Well, should we just leave this out and let it dry, and then we'll come back to it later and actually assess the thing? Let's do it. All right, so when we were starting this video, Uzi was like, let's freaking shake it up and throw it at the ground and see what happens. And I was like, no, we don't have enough to spare.
Do not do that. My car is right there.
Until I went to Target last night and bought one just for Uzi. This is just for you.
Oh
So
my God.
you, my friend, can shake this up to your heart's desire, throw it as hard as you can, cap down at the ground, and watch it explode. And
I've
see what
always
happens.
wanted to do this.
Wait, I don't want to be anywhere near this.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna film
Hey!
slow motion, Dan.
Hey, what are you-
Here, Dan.
That's not gonna help.
You ready, Dan?
No?
I'm not ready either. We're gonna have to duck.
What do you mean duck?
Duck! Alright, you ready?
No?
Dang it, I wish you had like 8 more of those. All right, well, that's a little bonus clip. All right, you guys, we're here a few hours later. The board has now officially dried off, and we have new people here with me right now. We have Emma Skates, and we have Uzi.
My name is Aussie.
No.
Los Litos. So we're gonna take another detailed look at this real quick. The first thing I'm noticing in the sunlight is that the chocolate looks as if it has melted and then caramelized and now looks very disgusting. And if you touch the board, go ahead and someone just palm the bottom of the board. Yeah.
Sticky.
Very, very sticky and disgusting. So
Here's my new shirt.
I don't really want to touch this anymore. So I'm gonna hand it off to the professional, Emma. The grip seems normal.
Bearings are surprisingly fast, dude.
Any predictions? Dan, you think it's gonna break?
I think it'll snap.
It's gonna snap.
It's not gonna snap.
We're gonna make
I literally
it.
snap a
guy?
board every single day I
It's not
skate.
gonna. If you try to tray flip it, it'll snap.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'll tray flip the 5 first try.
Would you like to kick flip it?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot you're regular.
I know, I was like,
Oh, threw me off. Pressure's on. No, you gotta land it now. Wow. All right, with my phone in my pocket.
that's dangerous. Why are you doing this?
And new shoes. I just broke my ankle in 17 places.
I got new tray flips.
This is a kickflip. You were supposed to kickflip.
No pop.
I hate this board.
I'm gonna gap the kicker.
Carlos always escalates it so fast. How did he manage to make it over that box without popping? So the bearings actually seem better than when they started.
Should we try to board slide it?
Sure.
I was scared it was gonna break. I got a little ditty right here.
I 100%, I think this board has improved. Like
So far?
it started off at like a 6 out of 10 skateboard, maybe even a 5, and it has evolved into like a 7.5 out of 10 skateboard. Like we had an idea for this series to like skate experiments, test what happens to the structural integrity of skateboards, thinking that they would suck after 24 hours of soaking in liquid, but apparently we figured out a way to make all boards better. So skateboard companies, if I find out you're doing this, I want 100% of proceeds. You got this, Carlos.
Just front board it, Gabe.
I'm done. I give up. Carlos, if you get chocolate all over the ledges, I'm blaming you.
Did he forget?
That's sick. All right, let's go. Backside flip off. That's right.
I think it's rigged. He was practicing beforehand.
You gotta do it.
What you doing?
Let's get the hub.
Carlos's kickflips have just been suboptimal lately. And I'm not saying that to be mean or like I'm hating on Carlos. Literally, they just have not been there. His legs just aren't remembering how to kickflip right now.
What you do, Carlitos?
Oh my god!
It's a little wax, Carlos, be careful.
I like how they turn.
Yeah, go land it. Come on, Dan, full send. All right, Dan, you land it right here. I will buy you a monster every single day of our trip in LA.
Whoa.
Look at that look on his face.
I didn't shake on it. I'll buy you one monster.
Yeah, okay.
I'll buy you one monster.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
How is that Coca-Cola?
Cherry.
We're here at the mini ramp. I have a trick request for Carlos. Invent a new trick called the Coca-Cola.
It's nice knowing you, Dan. Well, we'll call that the Coca-Cola. How about that?
Emma, you know you gotta get in here and do a rock fakie. You gotta show us what you've learned.
Full send.
No more injury will occur to Fetty. I'll protect him with my life. Just get Fetty like a full face guard. You guys don't know what happened yet, but you will. Dan, here's your chance. All right, Dan, first try tray flip. You remember that bet we had over there about the Coke every day on our vacation?
Yeah.
That I will actually shake your hand for that bet every single day. So yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
that's
Saturday,
a long-
Sunday.
that's a
7
long time.
monsters that you don't have to buy. I will buy for you if you land a tray flip first try.
All right, one more. I got in one more just because. Or it's hard to tray flip on.
Body!
Dan, maybe you should go on a liquid diet.
Dan has broken every single board he's ridden on in the last like 6 months. See, now Carlos is just being disrespectful and just throwing shots at Uzi.
You think Carlos is trying to gas me?
I think he is trying to gas you.
Well, let me show him.
Yeah, you show him the works, brother.
Gas me, will ya?
I thought you were gonna switch flip it.
Come on, Dan, one more try. Let's get some pop. I don't think this board is breaking. I'm just gonna say right now.
When are you heel flipping now?
Heel flipping it? Dan, last time I tried to heel flip, I literally almost broke my spine in 4 different places. Dan, get us back.
It'll take a few tries.
Okay. You wanna go, Dan? It's up to you.
Let me try it.
Yes.
Whoa! Whoa. Yeah, Dan. Oh, wow. Just gotta land it, Dan. Wow. How was that?
That was pretty good. I mean, his toe clipped a little bit, but it's whatever.
Oh, you are just ruthless. So he said do it for Coca-Cola. That's what he said, do it for Coca-Cola, and then realized he said Cola on accident. And then I was like, my 3rd grade teacher's named Cola, and then you landed it. One tray flip for the Old Town Road, brother.
For the road.
For the Old Town Road. I mean, no.
All right, one more try, man.
All right, Gabe.
And then I want you to take all of your tray flip frustration out and roll over there, and then roll and slam this against the wall, all right?
I'm okay with it because I can do it on my normal board fine.
Go smash it, Dan.
Oh! Body.
Dude.
Does it not hold up as good as the chlorine board?
That literally just shows how strong that chlorine board was.
Wait, one more. I want to do one more smash. Nice one.
Dan, give it a try.
Not me.
Yeah,
That is not fair at
He
all,
just
dude.
put you guys the same.
And this, my friends, is what happens when you soak a skateboard in Coca-Cola for 24 hours. There are some videos right here over Emma's face.
Right.
Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you guys should definitely not try this at home. This one is not that dangerous, but it is very stupid. So leave the stupid tests to stupid professionals, and we'll see you next time.